Hello loves, venner, welcome and welcome back to my channel. If you are new to this channel, thank you so much for stopping by, and to all my old subscribers, you all know I love you. Guys, today we are making sobolo, so stay tuned and enjoy this video. All right. And okay guys, so for this recipe you will need your hibiscus flowers, of course. You will also need your negro peppers, which is also called mintia. You will need some ginger, and you will also need some dried pepper if you want it a little bit spicy like I do, but that is definitely optional. Okay, and I'm going to leave all the ingredients in the description box below, so do well to check it out. All right guys, and yes guys, I will be also using some pineapple. Okay guys, so do well to watch this video to the end. Okay guys, and you wouldn't regret it. All right. And yes, guys, first of all, you want to rinse your hibiscus flowers, okay? And after doing that, you want to toss it into your saucepan, add in your water, your negro pepper, your ginger, your chili, okay? And you want to allow it to cook, all right, guys? And yes guys, under a running water you want to actually rinse your pineapple, okay, very properly. Okay guys, yes. So as of now, you want to peel off the skin of the pineapple because it's going to go into the saucepan, into the sobolo. All right guys, yeah, so make sure you wash it properly, okay? Okay guys, so I will just, as I did earlier on, I peeled off the skin, and then I want to get the core of the pineapple, all right, and also add it to the sobolo. Okay guys, so this is how I did it. So keep watching, follow along, okay guys, and then if there is anything you want to know, don't forget to leave any comments, okay, in the comment section below. All right guys, thank you so much. Enjoy. Okay guys, so I have here some freshly chopped ginger, all right, and my pineapple here, which is going to be blended together. Okay, as I said earlier on, I don't know if I said it, but I'm going to teach you two ways or two different types of sobolo. Okay guys, so stay tuned. All right, keep watching. So I will finish blending this and set this aside, okay? Then you want to take your sobolo off the fire and then drain or strain the water out of it, okay? You want to put the chaff on the fire again, all right guys, because you want to get out all the color from the sobolo before you throw it out, all right guys, or else it's just going to be a waste of money and time. Okay guys, so yes, keep watching. All right. Okay guys, so please take note that with the second batch that you cook, the redness won't be as red as the first batch. Okay, so this is the indication that you have actually used it to the last point. Okay, this is point of no return. Now you've actually used the whole thing. All right guys, yes, so you want it to cool down a little bit, then you will restrain it again. Okay guys, because sometimes there are a little bit residue from the hibiscus flowers which doesn't need to be added to the juice. All right guys, yes. Okay guys, so now you are almost done. All you need to do is to add in your sugar to taste, okay guys, and then you are done. Okay, this is the original way of doing sobolo. It's simple. All you need is your hibiscus flower, some water, spice, and guys, you are done. Okay, so this is how I do mine. Okay, so I just pop, or this is how I store mine. I pop it in some plastic bags, which is like a blood bank bag, okay, and then I just close it and freeze it or refrigerate it, whatever way you want to do it. It's up to you. Some people prefer to drink it warm, some people prefer to drink it cold, some people prefer to drink it or take it not when it's frozen. Okay, it's all up to you, okay guys, but take note that with this original one, the taste is much more concentrated. So if it is spicy, it's spicy, okay guys. When it's there is nothing like, you can't escape from it. You can taste everything in it, okay guys. So this is the first type of sobolo, okay. Yes, so we are going to move to the second type of sobolo, which is much more of kids friendly, okay guys, because I have a little brother who can't actually take too much of the spice, okay. So if you add in the pineapple, the blended pineapple, it gives it much more of a fruity feeling and vibe to it, okay, which can actually, take the mind off that, oh, they're drinking something black and red and oh, what is this, that kind of thing. So yeah, you just need to be creative sometimes, okay. So I'll add, this is the second one. You add in it's the same mixture of sobolo, the first one you did. You just add in the pineapple juice that you made, you stir, okay. Okay guys, so just like I'm saying, is you're going to repeat the same process again. You just need to add in your pineapple juice, stir, and then put it in your storage bags, okay guys. Yes, and you are done with it. All right, so someone is going to ask how you're going to tell the difference, okay. So with the pineapple one, there is a very thick bubble layer on it, okay guys. You will be able to tell, okay, just looking at this one, okay, just look at this. So with the pineapple one, just look at the way it foams up on the top, all right, just like that. There is a lot of foam in there. You can see like richness of fruit in there. And with the normal one, there is nothing. You can actually see that it's raw. There is nothing in there, okay guys. Yes, so that's how you'll be able to tell the difference. I do hope you enjoyed this video just like I enjoy making it, okay guys. Thank you so much for watching. Until we meet next time, don't forget to stay safe. Don't forget to mask up as well. Until we meet again, the name is Abijail and I'm out.